Today, isn't it? In fact, what do we have? Tornado warnings till like 1 o'clock?
Tornado watch.
Tornado watch. That's a big difference between watch and warning. So on this gloomy day, you know what would make me feel better? And I bet it would you too. A good old fluffy biscuit. So I'm gonna go to the kitchen and I'm gonna make creamy biscuits. And they're so easy. My grandsons could even make them with no problem. And they would have so much fun being able to bake their own biscuits. Jack, every time he comes into my kitchen, he says, Guinea, can we make some biscuits? Yes. A biscuit will fix most anything, y'all.
Cane syrup.
Yes, with cane syrup. All right. We're going to start out with 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, and about a tablespoon of sugar. So all we're going to do, y'all, is just dump it all in the bowl. And I'm going to get me some self-rising flour over here so I can knead it once I get it mixed up. Get my biscuit cutter ready. All right, so now for a little sugar. And I'm just gonna stir those dry ingredients up, and now I'm gonna add the cream. See how easy it is? Simple. Simple, simple. And your biscuit recipe for your cream biscuits calls for a really hot oven. We recommend preheating your oven to about 500, but if you're gonna cook that high, you'll have to keep your eyes on them. Personally, I'd rather cook them a little bit lower and maybe a little bit longer. Okay. See how easy that mixed up, y'all? Now I'm going to do my best to get all this out into my board. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. We got a cast iron skillet that'll hold these biscuits. Teresa, you think? I mean, I know I got plenty, but we can even use a hoe pan. But I do love my biscuits cooked in the iron skillet. Okay, so here we go. Gonna just fold that in half.
Is this good?
Oh, that's perfect. And you know what I'm gonna do?
You heat it up.
I'm going. There we go. I'm gonna heat it up just a little bit. Shut up. That'll shut up in a minute, y'all. So we're gonna just knead this 5, 6, 7 times. I think that's about enough. It's some pretty dough. All right, and I'm probably gonna, don't even know if I'm gonna need a rolling pin. Just mash this down to about 1/2 inch. And you can use any size cutter you want. If you want a cat head biscuit, I'd use that one. If you want a biscuit the size that you can eat 2 of them, I'd use that size. Okay. I think I'm gonna use this size. All right, and I'm gonna put some butter on my skillet. That just helps the browning and the flavor of it a little bit. I'm going to spray it so they won't stick. Okie dokie, here we go. Here we go, Smokey. And when you're cutting your biscuits, you want to make sure that you get as close to each of those biscuits that you've already cut so you can use up all your dough. And of course, if I have a lot left over, then I will knead it up together again. Because I'm not going to let it go to waste. I'm going to cut that off. And I'm hoping I can fit all these biscuits on this one pan. And I like my biscuits touching each other. Ooh, I'm going to flip that over. Because it had some butter to share. I think I might flip them all over. Yes. Great idea, Paula. Be nice and buttery. All right, in the oven, 500. Don't take your eye off of it, though. All right, y'all, I think time is up on our biscuits. Let's take a look at them. Where's my handle? Oh, there it is. I don't want to burn myself because that was a hot oven. All right, what y'all think? What you think, Betty Lou? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I like it. I like it a lot.
Little shortcakes.
I know. You know what? And it would be delicious to grill it and put sweetened strawberries on top of it with a little scoop of vanilla ice cream. In case these are not fattening enough, like they are. Oh, ouch. They're hot. Let's see what they look like.
They smell good.
They do smell good. And look at the steam. This butter's probably gonna melt pretty quick. Pretty daggum quick. All right, now what would you want on your biscuit? Would you want syrup or jelly or jam? What would you want, Eddie?
Oh, me? I like it just with butter.
Okay. How about you, Teresa?
Cane syrup.
Uh-huh. Well, we got some cane syrup in there if you want to pour you a little bit over them.
I might.
Delicious. And look how quickly they cool off. I mean, you saw the steam coming. Good. I think I heard that on a commercial. So like I said, don't ever say you can't make a biscuit, because I know you can. Happy baking. Happy eating.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.